Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. The money corner is a significant area in Feng Shui and needs to be treated with care in order to attract wealth luck. In this video, I will share with you 6 important Feng Shui recommendations for your money corner. Let's jump right in. First of all, where is the money corner in our home? The money corner is the furthest corner diagonally opposite the entry of the living room. The specific location of the money corner can vary depending on the floor plan of your house or apartment. If you have an open floor plan, then your money corner is measured from the front entrance. To ensure that your money corner can effectively accumulate wealth energy and enhance your home's fortune, it's important to follow these Feng Shui principles for placement and decoration. Number 1. Strong support. In Feng Shui, having 2 solid walls behind the money corner symbolizes a strong foundation and support, which can help accumulating wealth energy. However, if one or both walls behind the money corner is a walkway or window, it can disrupt the flow of energy and make it challenging to accumulate wealth luck. The lack of solid foundation means that wealth energy can flow directly out of the window. If there are windows behind your money corner, you can close the curtain to ensure wealth energy does not escape from the area. Number 2. Avoid clutter and noise. If there's any clutter in the money corner or frequent vibrations such as those caused by electronic devices like TVs or stereos, they can disrupt the flow of positive qi in the money corner, ultimately leading to financial instability. Therefore, it's important to keep the money corner clean, quiet, organized, and free from disturbances. Number 4. Avoid contamination. If the location of the toilet is directly facing the money corner, the negative energy of the toilet can contaminate the positive energy in the money corner, leading to financial instability. Therefore, when selecting a new home, it's recommended to check the position of the toilet and ensure it doesn't create negative energy towards the money corner. In case your toilet is facing the money corner, make sure you close the bathroom door as much as possible or use a partition to create a separation between the 2 areas. This will prevent the negative energy from contaminating the flow of positive energy in the money corner, ensuring that the wealth energy remains pure and uninterrupted. Number 4. Reduce pressure. Putting heavy furniture such as wardrobes, bookcases, or cabinets in the money corner can create a pressure that restricts the flow of positive energy, as a result, harming the financial fortune of the home. Therefore, it's best to keep the money corner clear of heavy, bulky, or sharp objects, allowing the energy to circulate freely and attract financial abundance. If there's a need to place a furniture in the money corner in your home, it should be lightweight and not block the flow of positive energy. Number 5. Brightness. A bright and well-lit money corner can help to energize the home and enhance financial energy. If the money corner is exposed to sunlight, it can greatly boost the positive energy and attract wealth luck. On the other hand, if the money corner is dimly lit or lacks sufficient lighting, it may lead to stagnation of financial energy. To resolve this problem, it's recommended to install bright lights or lamps in the money corner to enhance the flow of positive energy and activate the wealth energy in your home. Number 6. Lucky plants. To maintain strong wealth energy in the home, you can decorate the money corner with thriving plants. Ideally, evergreen plants with large or thick leaves because the shape of the leaves resemble the shape of coins or golden ingots. To enhance wealth energy, you can place auspicious plants in the money corner, such as rubber plant, golden pothos, or jade plant. Do not place spiky plants in the money corner, such as cacti, as they generate sharp energy that can disrupt the flow of wealth energy. Thank you everyone for watching my video. If you need personalized Feng Shui consultation, please visit my website. See you next time!